blood clots. I want to know what is so. Wi-Fi not even strong. People could talk about this. Dirty blood clot, Richie. I never wake up good out of my bed yet. I get up this morning and I pray and I do my gospel and I worship. And as I come in at the man car, the man start cuss me.
Oh, you mean? That's
why I'm not like, I'm not luck with friend, you know.
Move your blood clot. Or if you have luck with friend, if you're not your friend good. Fuck you, Spice.
Fuck you too.
Move your blood clot.
Move back your blood clot.
Blood clot.
Your blood clot back again.
What you feel like?
Fuck you.
Fuck you back.
Your blood clot, yo.
Your blood clot again.
As me coming at the man. I gotta stop freeze. I'm not a date already on the director. So what we doing? Yo, the date dog go work.
Then I put on something. You come up on your phone. You don't turn it on.
It's on, man. Me say, remember I fuck up my show last night, you know?
Lie.
True.
Lie. Oh, me fuck up your show.
True, the man know the song, the whole of the song. Them go like, him know the song them more than anybody else.
Of course, we know them more than everybody else.
When me not ready to play the song, him and play the song.
And you are over talk.
Me supposed to talk, me have to intro me song them.
They not the long intro there.
Me have to talk to the people them.
People.
He's an entertainer, me have to go down the night and say, I'm right. People let me talk to no.
You a preacher?
Me's a preacher.
You don't know fucking preacher.
So he fuck up one of my song.
One song?
I cussed him last night, so him have me up. Me wake up now and come in and car if he trap me go to blood clot airport. So me have to beg him for carry me go to airport. Him start cuss me. I come talk about. Me must say me your friend. I'm in on the jingles with you. You never give me one jingles. So true me said to him, say, what the blood clot you want jingles with me for richer feelings? You have about 40 million vice note with me. You know go splice up a vice note them.
What me
I put the vice note them together if you want jingles, man.
When me I do vice note, me I come on as DJ. You're going to let me come on as DJ. Move your blood clot Spice. You're going to let me come on as. Eh? Me and your friend. You're not supposed to give me a blood clot vice note I come talk about. Scan them. SBST say my name, that's me. Scan your blood clot. Move Spice.
Move back your blood clot, Richie.
I want you. I don't like you.
Remember me hate you now. Remember me don't like you now.
Long time. Blood clot. I want you.
I saw no stay blood clot. Black people beg on the something on the road. Just like argue and go on, boy. You can't walk a cab to airport, you know. Me come out and walk, you know.
And that you fi do. I make the whole blood clot down you run you down.
Me blood clot walk.
That you fi do make the whole down you run you down. Blood clot. Me go see it today. Do that though.
Me come out of your car and walk.
Oh, you go come out and me lock the door. A child safety lock the door.
I should make your car go airport. Watch me. Pull over. Pull over. Let me see myself on billboard.
You know what I want to
watch me on big billboard. I'm to come here. You saw your bad mind?
Move your blood clot.
Move back your blood clot.
Every time you come to airport, you go look for yourself.
Me want to show me people them, me have big blood clot. Remember me hungry.
You did hungry.
Me want to show me people them.
You're not hungry now.
Blood clot.
Turn
round back, let me show me people them from people. Your bad mind, that can kill you. That can kill your blood clot. Your bad mind. That's what you try to fuck up me set yesterday.
Me never fuck up the set, you know. Are you an overtalk? Come and think so you don't tell your part.
And you vex true me now to sing the song. The people them are sing the song.
Oh, me vex.
And you realize, say, me never really need you. No, me glad, me hope you say me never really need you.
No, you need me.
You never really need you.
You need
the people that sing like a chorus.
Last night
every time you play the rhythm, me have to say, me have to say, Lord, me don't want the rhythm if you make you hear the chorus in front of blood clot, yo. Me never really need you, know. Me why you see that? Me never need your blood clot.
Blood clot need we able move your blood clot, boy. You don't need me. You need me.
Me never really need you.
You need me.
Every time you play the rhythm, me have to say, Lord.
Lie. Lie you tell. Once you go so on my shoulder, go so, me go so. Once you go so to the right, me go so to the right like a dancing company or dancing dynamite. People don't follow them, not like your spike.
Richie have me up for blood clot, double plate and 2 jingles.
What you mean?
That is it.
What you mean?
I come as me step in your car. Yo, me shouldn't even like care gonna wear them. Not even 2 jingles me now for you. I mean your friend you have so much vice note. You know splice up the blood clot vice note them and put them together, man.
You can't bother not splice me original. You can't mix up the original with carbon copy. And that me a teacher you not learn, man. You cannot tell me a carbon copy. You go beg me a big blood clot friend.
So what you just do a while ago, me come in your car start beg me jingles and drops.
Me not beg you anything.
You beg me, you say you want jingles for me song them. You want drops. You don't deserve it, blood clot, because you bad mind me, you hate me.
Me hate you, yes, but me deserve it.
No.
I don't like say me like you like
what
that.
What do you feel like me for give him the blood clot drops?
Blood clot. Done, me don't need that too, you know.
Me never with you from morning. Me done with you long time. Me done with you before me even come in here, clot. Move back your blood clot.
Move your blood clot.
Your dirty blood clot, yo.
And your dirty blood clot. Move.
Bad mind.
And you first bad mind.
You have me up for drops.
Yes.
You have me up for drops.
Yes, me must admit it. I don't like say me I keep it in. Me admit it. Like a big hospital long a public.
See, them say you bad mind. Your dirty blood clot, yo.
On the door, pick no side with her. Remember she a wicked.
I would have come talk about you forgive him.
Alright.
Move your dirty blood. I would have no sir. I would have come talk about him deserve it. But him deserve it, best.
Yes.
Don't pick up for him.
Jamaica, me deserve it. Me tell you about the wicked them. Them hate me for nothing at all. What
best
weird.
I saw they send me out quick about give him deserve it.
Yo, best of them, no.
Blood clot. Somebody said this is not blood clot. I'm greater cake. Yes, bestie. But you want drops. This is not greater cake. Done him blood clot, bestie.
Tell her the son now wicked. That's
done him.
Me hate yeah, bestie.
Yeah. Your blood clot. My bestie said this is not blood clot. Greater cake. But you want drops.
Me hate to know. All bestie me hate to know. Every best just chicken. All of the best of the best. Them me hate to know. See it?
No, sir, I'm sick. Yo, God no.
You did alright last night. I know you wake
come
up
to Jamaica and the place at me have to blast the AC in a place when I wake up, I can't breathe.
Yo.
Yo, cold nearly kill me in a room. Me say me. No, sir. Me act like a fire. And the lace we got lift up. Me couldn't even fix the wig when for go back on the place. Me?
Remember one girl fix it last night, you know. Girl said, bestie. She wig there, I got drop off there. I said, alright, wait, but me fix it. And bestie there go let them like you more than me, you know.
Me say try him alone have blood clot waka song. No, me no say not the song yet the song no release.
So me no there when it a make. Me no there when it a make.
He might run and play this whole of the song on the show. And he knows that the song no release yet. Yo, me say me and I say keep show keep?
Yeah.
I know you saw.
Alright, that's how the show keep. Right there.
Remember me mash up over here so last night. Right through. Then when them do I saw the quick them move with everything, stage, crowd, everybody. Yo, God no. Montego Bay last night was a movie. Thank you guys for coming out. It was a success, you know. Big up Magnum Tonic Wine and big up the people that will win. Lord Jesus. Where you go? Last night did hot. I big up yourself. You did that. You know the thing go. Spicy should have give it to him. Him not deserve it.
All those me deserve it. Big up on yourself. The one that hate me, only hate me.
Me think about it, man. Blood clot. The people have you up for things, it hard.
Keep your things. It's alright. It's alright. You go and keep
Richie, stop taking your eye off of the road. You have spice. See me blood clot, best of them I tell you stop. You take your eye off of the road too much. You're driving spice. Do not look left. So you look left a while ago, you know. See you look left a while ago there, you know.
So, what you try to say? You're royalty?
You're blind?
You're a big thing?
Me's a very big thing.
Me's
not a small thing.
You have no song in a movie, man.
Remember me on Netflix. Remember me song coming on Netflix, you know. And guess what, mom? Everybody are run out. Oh, she not post this. Me not post it blood clot. Me want when the 8 of them are watching movie here, make your body jaw clap them dead to blood clot.
Yo.
Me want them choking at the house. When they turn on the TV. And I watch a blood clot movie at them here. Make your body jaw clap. Them start suffocating at their blood clot living room. You never know.
Oh, she never tell me about this.
Me not telling you no.
Oh, me don't know about this.
Not telling you no. Me working in silence.
Yeah,
dusty blood clot. Look at my beautiful country. Montego Bay. Watch Montego Bay. Watch my pretty place. Yo. Water drop off a building. What I do? Talk about this. Water drop off a building around one part right here. So Montego Bay. Outside and bright. Big up my pretty country. Big up the whole of my Bay. Watch tourists come down for... Oh, what is? Yo, God no. Me? Big up Margarita.
Yo, what's tourists?
Be a tourist. I want to call up one tourist man on the stage.
Yeah, the man them come from Minnesota.
Man them come all the way from Minnesota by himself. Yo, God knows somebody have to up and get that man there.
Yo, boy says I saw no see visa right as I not. I saw no see green card and now look for it.
Somebody said I'm going to have a heart attack. Ireland, big up yourself. For my song there, them something them here talk about my boss. Me the right to your foot where the song there.
Wicked Ireland, man.
Better rock right through. Remember Ireland have my big song when you better rock sit down on it. Yo, God no, I don't know where me do people. Ireland boss, when me go get me song? When summer done and pick me gone back to school and pick the now go up and better rock. Yo, God no, Jesus Christ. What we do your life to deserve this? I forgot look for Mr. Minnesota. Yo, the dancer girl will have him neck.
Yo, kill the girl and kill the man last night.
Yeah, we call up one white man from Minnesota last time we got back to go beer. I remember me telling him dancer didn't kill him.
Me is by say, yo, wanna take time with him. Take time with him.
Yo, the girl ain't got for him neck. Me say, no, sir, me have to pull up. Somebody say, when Waka drop? Me have to drop it this week. Me have to find a date. Yo, God no. Remember, yo. Waka coming soon. Big up Levitate and Red Boom. I wish part them there in front of us or behind us.
I know them there. I don't know them.
Big up Red Boom and Levitate.
Yo, the way the sun at that Jamaica.
Me never sleep good. Me never sleep last night. I got my bed about 4 or 5 o'clock this morning and jump up back. There man to go be me I run on. On a quick flight, you know me fish. What you say about them something them man? Yo, you know something like try for you?
You know see you
see. I want to show the people them for my life, the legend them in my country. So I think I be a Jamaican alone them for my Instagram live. You think I remember my life me on you know. I remember me come and be and nobody know you know.
That's a lie. That's a lie.
I want to show the people them are foreign. They look at something them. I see myself on billboard. I want to show people them. You drive past it. I see you saying boat. I say, let me show them the statue. You drive past it. I say, you bad mind, man.
Yeah, you say, I take a picture of it.
I want to show the tourists them where they on my live, the things them in Jamaica.
Show them say up there.
What am I going to do? Show them be a bush.
So they can themselves front up here, so tap road up here, so.
Which up here come by front?
Yes. Yes.
You dirty blood clot. Me just pass the wall of the nice something them. You want me show the people them bush and make them feel like
front. Whenever you in Jamaica in Montego Bay and they need front to buy, up here. Right?
Oh, you know that?
I mean, oh, me know.
Oh, you know some front of seller Montego Bay.
I'm from here. Remember, because I live in getting higher more seller than buyer. I have to promote the girl them business. I want to you.
I have to call Diamond make sure done, you know. Where you try to say be a girl sell front of Montego Bay?
No, Diamond, no one lie me I tell. Then look on the girl where I called up last night. Remember me gave her 5 bills, you know.
Which girl?
The girl where sell front, the business girl, man. Where you batting her move. The girl where you tell herself when she make it clap and I'll know nothing now clap, it's silent.
Somebody say part of them sell front already. You don't know nothing. Move your blood clot. Somebody say I know this so. I lie you tell.
So me I tell you no.
That me I tell you man, you all talk and I tell me be a lie and be it. Yo, God.
So you say you know Jamaica, you want to show the people them and I lie me I tell.
But me didn't want to show the people them the Usain Bolt statue and the something them and you be a bush now. You come tell me about show them yes so. Show them what? The trees?
Yeah, show them the tree. Tell them say you're them tree and they are Jamaica. Name
yo,
of the
God
trees
no.
are.
The name of these trees. These are some trees in Jamaica, guys.
Yeah, man, they right there, so. You see in boat, brother, there.
Yo, God no. You know, say me sorry, say me drive with you.
Allah, you tell
let me out your car. Let me out of your car. Let me out.
Hold on, no.
I see if one car no pick me up. Same time. Let me out, man.
And where you want to? Cause traffic blocking. Y'all fly down in our tight and stacking. Watch our hairstyle, whopping.
Look here, if anybody ever done that wig stay bad for my head. Last night I work, and when I done work, it's wet and wet. Me have to plait it. Me have to plait it up, man. She's Me about to miss that flight, I'm if you tell you no.
Blame it on yourself.
Months ago, I had a great night with you guys. Thank you for so much for coming out. Where the $1 million sign there, right, so? Yo, Jesus, peace. Secrets Hotel. I need to big up the people that want Secrets Hotel.
All the while.
The butler, Betty, big up yourself. The people that take care of me right through. I wish I could have lived there. God know, I want to have some money where me just have one house. And I just lie down in a bed and I don't have to work. I don't have to do nothing. Nothing I do, I get up and bathe and brush my teeth and go back in my bed. Jesus Christ, God, please. No, sir. Something feel good when I get the room service, man. You just lie down. Feel good.
Anything or anything.
Anything is anything. Our besties, our birthday coming up. Spice QOD. I get to meet some of my besties last night and I cried. I was emotional. Couldn't let them see how much I love them. But, you know, I really appreciate meeting them because I've always said I just want to hug them. I just want to hold them in my hand and make them know, say, look here, you want to inspire me so much. Because you know when the haters, them come up on me and them are going with a bag of things, and the best of them come out and just lift my spirit. So them don't even know, so them feel like me inspire them, but them inspire me. I got to meet Spice QOD last night on one of the official bestie page. And I got to meet Spicy Room as well. And I was just so happy and my world was at peace for meeting you guys. So big up on a nice clean self. I love you guys. I love you, Spice QOD. So happy to meet you. Gabby Dan, alright go. Big up your nice clean self. Gabby Dan. Big top dancer. You know the streets going on, you take on the whole road.
Yeah, Gabby Dan.
The Swift Boss.
Foot play, God.
Foot play. You know Waka is coming out this week. Get ready. I'm show the people them in the airport. Yo, God no. You know I burn me or you make me not show the people them Jamaica properly.
Everything burn you, sir. The sun I burn you. Everything I burn you, man.
It burn me, man. Cause first me I go up on live and I there at Jamaica. And I drive round. And it's like, you know, want me tell the people them and show the people them. Yo, God no. These are a lot of tourist bus. Cause you know we have a lot of tourists in Jamaica. So them carry them and from the hotel, and that's why you see so much Juta tours and them take care of the white people them down here, and you know the thing go. Yo, God no. Somebody say seatbelt. That reach. May I come out now. Flight almost at close. I'm if you tell you no.
Every day I say you need flight thing. Like you expect you're gonna just run on as you go.
Don't worry yourself. You soon can afford a jet.
Right now we have to deal with the jet bridge.
Right now, yeah, I'm happy in the jet bridge. I'm best of them. We're cool, comfortable, still a reach. Richie, God go with you.
Yeah, God go with you.
Remember, I don't like you.
I don't like you neither. Done, me done it there now, you know.
Fuck off.
Fuck you, Spice.
Fuck you too.
Move your blood
Move
clot.
back, you dirty blood
Move
clot.
your dirty blood clot.
You dirty ras, you.
Blood clot.
Jesus, best me never reach yet. Me never come out of the car yet. Me not even come out. Me love. That's why I know me should call me here, because that's very real.
You're my
Big up yourself.
nice to the
Oh,
world.
Sada.
Take a picture with the queen
Lord
here.
Jesus, my baby.
Hi,
God,
pretty baby.
Yes, the queen there.
That's my girl.
Big up yourself. Right there, so straight. You know where the strips go. Right through. Yeah, man. Big up.
Where you putting them there?
And them no, them there over me, yeah. Them there warm. Them there Atlanta. So me just come to Jamaica, come do a show last night, and I go back to Atlanta. Cause I go still film for Love and Hip Hop. So you know me up and down.
We soon watch your team.
Alright, cool. Alright, my boss, big up. Mad love, love you. Yeah, my job. Alright. Outside.
Yo, turn
My
it up.
God, me go miss the
I'm
flight
here the bad
again.
woman here, so.
Alright.
They're going to rhythm, we run the rhythm right away.
Run the rhythm, run the rhythm. Run the
You
rhythm.
want a DJ if you run the place, yeah?
Yeah.
And for Roger Bass, I will secure to the
Yeah.
come here for.
Yeah.
Pull up now. Money when I think to that side, yeah.
Alright.
Everything nice.
Big up. You know, me go miss the flight, I'm not asking you. Big up, my boss. Mad love, mad love.
Yo, spicy girl.
Big up.
Hey, what's on the one? Respect you more than you thought, you know.
Oh, wow.
Hear about you time, see how the vibe.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
man.
Yeah, we have support you, big time, you know.
All right, I love you. Big up, respect. Yeah, man. Bye. Nice to see you. All right. I love you. When don't you reach them? You get the money, see? What? On the spice? No, my son, they're warm. Red Bull. All right, big up my boss. No, I'm not the past Subfest this year. What one good? Where Delta there?
So that was actually on the account.
Blood clot. Nobody know for the account. I won't miss the flight. Sweater kill me. All right. Jesus Christ. Now for what? I'm teeth the hotel rag. What's up? Hi. Love you. All right, big up. Look here. My teeth 3 rag from the hotel. I'm sorry. What's up? What going good, eh? What? Never miss the flight. What's up? Delta change uniform. Delta this?
Yes.
Them change uniform. I want to have on pink. The flight closed? No bother with it. Try to put me on a flight here. Watch. Me not have no bag. Me not have a bag already. Watch out. Come this up. No, wait. Let me see. Watch out. Yeah. Where? No, so we almost next. Me forgot. Oh, come right there, sir. So me for come there, sir. All right, guess what? Anybody when know my name pull up the boarding pass? So pull up the boarding pass, we not going to bed. We're not easy at all. Yeah. Oh, you're not eating alone. Wow. Yeah. Then the easiest. So all you know is the middle come. You see my name? Okay. That's some name, come on. And to our way of trouble. No, sir. They're not easy. The woman said, look here, I know Grace haven't time I wait for you for morning. Yes, man. Big up. We not a bag. You carry this for the plane or you want to check it out? We not have no bag. That's how they love it out here. Big up. It's tonight. Yeah? Oh my God. So we're not acting at them uniform, yeah? She's up. Somebody say. Yeah, 2 away. Wagwan, what me do now? Oh, so I mean set up myself. Oh no, I said me didn't come. Oh, what my dress? Oh, me turn off the mic on this.
What were you doing? So I'm so happy to meet you.
What you say?
Because you were all happy. And I was like, what is happening over there? And this is like, this is spicy. We're so proud of her. She's Jamaican. I wanted to definitely meet her.
Nice to meet you. Where you from?
Colombia.
Oh, Colombia. All right, big up. Yeah. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, princess. How are you? Oh, I love you. You're so pretty. What's your name? Huh? Okay. Auntie Spice loves you, okay? Make sure you stay in school. All right?
I'm not going to school today.
You're on holidays because it's summer, but you're going back September.
No,
Oh. She not start yet? No. Oh.
I'm not going back today because I'm going to visit my mom and go back to my dad.
Okay. All right. You have a safe flight, okay? I love you. Lord Jesus. Oh, where are we going to miss the flight? All right, the lady said I'm going to miss it. No, sir. I'm waiting. Okay.
Thank you
All right.
so much.
Have a safe trip, okay? All right. Thank you. I love you guys. Hi. Absolutely.
Oh my God. Thank you.
All righty. I love you guys. Nice to meet you. Come put it. Hi, mommy, what, mom? Yes, me tell the people them all the while, say, look here, me represent 3 different generations. You hear what mommy say? Mommy know what going. Mommy is a bestie. No, mommy, fix the phone good. So your face show that. Let me take it to you. Hold on. I love you.
I love you too.
Continue to pray for me, yeah? Because I say it's a praying woman. While I pray for myself in Jesus' name. Yes. No, sir. So wait, I'm going to miss the flight here. I'm going to miss the flight here. Go on.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right. Come. Outside. Big up yourself. I love you. All right. Come, goodie. Come, goodie. Go outside. I don't picture this. I like it. Hold on. I'm going to take one. Take it from my phone. All right, go on.
Thank you, Spice.
All right, thank you.
I'll come here show.
Yeah.
But me just never have them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Last time I end up on meet up,
Yeah.
face to face, right, and I can't hug her.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Nice to meet you. Yeah. Yeah.
My time. Come.
No, I'm not there some fest this year.
That's why I not go. That's why I not going to something.
Wouldn't don't check me in yet. It's us, please. Man, the plane door locked. How are you? Sure, you can get the picture. Take it for her. I know I'm a flight. You did that good, eh? We had that good, eh?
Great last night.
Yeah. You got it? Nice to meet you. You're so pretty.
Hi, Spice.
Hey, welcome on.
Yes,
People are calling for my phone, so they see me fall live.
Yeah, what we're seeing.
Plane lock, Jesus Christ. You know, so I missed my flight yesterday because of this happened to me. Well, I know I'm going to check in. Yes. Alright, let me just put on the phone here, right? So I just take picture.
Auntie, one more.
Let's flip it. You get window? Why you seat number 1D? Oh, it's 2 with the first class. Just hold a passport and do number 9. Adrian, big up yourself. Tony, big up yourself. Carissa, big up yourself. Queen of Dancehall, I represent. We talk about a nice team of fresh breath. I'm a white team. Yes. All right, go on. Look here. You know the plane left black for me yesterday. Yeah, I'm today now. Can I tell you?
can't travel from Kingston for that picture.
You come from Kingston for that picture, yeah?
Alright, so what side you're going to
Yeah, them full of lyrics, see?
Alright, love for no people. Me have to go away. Maybe I'll Mr. Flight here. Jesus. Big up a nice clean self best to outside. Right here, I'm a top, I'm a clean mouth, I'm a white teeth, I'm a fresh bread. Waka, waka. Yeah. What's the left or so?
Me carry one, it's careful.
Alright. You carry this, you carry your bag.
I'm not saying it's only 4.
Okay, no, me carry this. Big up. 16? Alright.
Start one more.
Alright. Go on. Love for New Year. Alright. Alright, big up. Me know the straps. Come. Where's it? Where you called me a while ago? Auntie Grace? Yeah. No, I have to go away. Come. Later. I never know what gate. Big up. Right through. I love you. Big up. Cool. Yeah. The plane I got locked. May I tell you? You know, I missed my flight yesterday because of them. Lord Jesus. Which part?
Yeah.
Well, I'm shy. Hi, how are you?
Hi, good.
Awesome. Nice to meet you, alright? Have a safe flight.
Yeah, say hi to Spice.
Okay, big up. Hi, Princess. How are you?
Right there.
Can I take a picture?
Yeah, man.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, right there.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I love you
Hey,
guys.
baby Spice, man, you know. Hold on, even on the G, because you have to support Spice.
Big up.
You
Sweat would kill me.
No. That's it.
You guys have a yes. Go in this line, okay?
Yeah. You have to go with that one. My flight I go close. Love for New Year. Big up. Alright, cool. Well, let me see it. Let me tell you something. I don't understand. Bestie? I have to teeth too wrong. Well, you don't have no phone. The flight are closed.
What time
Hi!
I watch your show so much. I
Oh,
love you.
thanks. I love you too.
Okay.
Have a safe flight, okay?
Yeah,
Oh, quickly. Sure.
I gotta take a picture. I'll worry.
Come.
Thank you so much.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you
too.
guys from?
LA.
Okay.
Yeah,
all right.
I watch you and you're amazing.
Thank you so much. Have a safe flight. Come, Woody. Come.
That's so cool.
Look here. I have to miss the flight. I have to go away. Happy birthday, okay? And all the best.
Thank you.
Cool. Come with me. All right, outside. May I tell you, watch your Jesus peace. Come here, may I have to go away. Jesus peace. All right, love you guys. Hi, what? All right, Ilian, Jesus. It's hot. I have to go away. I can't stop again. Sorry. I'm going to miss the flight, yeah.
No, brother, you're not missing no flight.
We did fun. See camera.
Don't bother there.
Yeah.
Anytime you see one, you walk.
Ready?
One of my favorite.
All right, my baby, I'm glad you're up.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it, always. Bestie, you know the thing going on. The ear not even stay good for my head. I couldn't even get to fix the ear properly. Big up. I couldn't even get to fix my ear properly, but I have to catch a flight around, go back to Atlanta because we're still filming for Love and Hip Hop. We're in the middle of filming, so you know the work go. And the kids them the Atlanta wait for me. So big up, big up, big up. I have to just take big up and cut through quick. The girl not even tell me which gate me I go. Wagwan.
I alone,
Big up, big up, big up.
I alone, I give my wife.
No, they were lyrics. What you say? That's sugar hear you. What you say?
I alone, I alone, I give my wife born with mama. I swear now. Born 50 years. I swear.
Sugar hear you, Ross.
I mean, mama put out for you alone, man.
Big up here, love you know.
Yes, yourself,
Yeah, alright. Look here, me a run that here. Come. I try to come boy, that's why we stop.
Spicy's here at the airport, and I'm a big fan of her.
Oh,
There he is.
I love you, okay? Is it you, Spice? It looks like me? Yes. How you know it's me?
Because I know you,
Oh.
but I don't watch your videos.
Oh, that's very good. Don't watch the videos until you get older, okay? Okay. Big up yourself.
Thank you.
Where's your phone? Oh, wow. How nice to meet you, okay? I love you. All right. Look here. Go with me. I go away.
I would like to add
Bye. Hi. Sure. Go ahead. Yeah, man. Big up. Love you now. Go ahead. I love you. Stay focused. Stay in school, okay? All right. Sure. No, I have to go. I feel like you're so. I feel like I'm very sorry, but guess what? My flight is about to go, okay? Me love you now. I have to go away. I'm sorry. No, sir. Mister. Big up yourself, here. All right, my strips. You know, we're not dry line at the airport. They have to take care of it right through. Hi, Wagwan. Good morning. How are you?
Waiting up boarding pass and passport. All right, just the two of you traveling?
Two of us today.
Okay, all right.
I like when me there Jamaica, them call me Miss Hamilton.
Good work. You better talk about good work, good work.
Yeah, man.
I like your mommy with the kids.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Big up.
I love that.
Thanks. Thank you. Blood clots.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Well, yeah, Jamaica, we get special what?
Yeah. You see me have 2 chin. Me see me 2 chin a while ago.
No, can I move over there? No, Spice, over that side.
Alright, yes, I know. Eh?
We are Jamaican.
Two of us, yeah. Alright.
We go carry on.
Alright. Respect. Remember your man. One more boss. No, Jesus. When the people them make me cut the line, some of the people them vexing like them I say,
Yeah, they run
oh, she a go through.
Yeah, well, just the time.
Oh, they check them already. Okay. Yeah, man. Where's the was? Yeah.
I walk my last one on the life.
Me I tell you. So what I go do? I go stay up on the live and go through security till me done. That side did not work. Me I go through security so that I don't know if we're not going to cut off. Hi, good morning. I'm morning and afternoon. No, no tray. Oh, it passed before one night tray. You want my shoes come off? Okay, yeah. Where did you give me an next bin? gonna stay right through the bit.
It's 5 minutes.
You have the passport, my boss? God, this is totally all dirty. Big up. Leave them here, sir? Let them. Alright, big up. It's such a blessing to be in Jamaica and you know to see my people them way and them build me. I don't know how to explain it to you, but them build me, so it's like this is where I started. Sure, walk on. We can't get one. Oh,
Good to finally meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I love you.
I love you and my sister so much.
Oh, thank you. I love you too. Yeah, for them amongst the people them where them build me. You know, I come from bottom up with them, you know. Big up. So it's always such a blessing. Man to go be at airport pretty and nice, so not crazy. Sure.
Show my sister I kind of a little bit surprised.
Alright, you have a safe flight. Big up, big up, big up. Yeah, man to go airport pretty and nice and clean. We have to talk about this. You're crazy. We have to talk about the place. Nice and clean. Right through. Sometimes I stop and tea for look at cologne them already. While like me I smell it and so. But with them stuff about the cologne them outside it seems. When the tester them we want to test something. Why we couldn't stop without the tester them? Because I don't see none. I see all of the new buckle them. I don't see the tester them. Hi. Oh, she's shy. Nice to see you. Sweat would have killed me down here. Sweat would have killed me. Which of them you like? The Lady Million have a new one. So when you're coming at the airport and you see the cologne them, you act like you spray the cologne and you just spray it for your hand and you turn the buckle, the nozzle to yourself. You understand? That's how the trick. You can't make nobody feel like you're thirsty and you don't know what you do. You have to act like you know what you do. So you put out your hand like you're going to spray it for your hand and you turn the nozzle this way. That's how you do it and call it a day. Go outside, come take a picture. Oh, what time now? Hi. Yeah, she can take it with me. By the time I'm reaching on the plane, I'm tired. Look how me I sweat. Look at my ear. It's like a whole different job. She's
Beautiful.
You're beautiful.
No, you're beautiful too.
Oh, that's so pretty. What's your name?
I'm Janae.
Hi, Janae. I have a daughter. Her name is Nicola Toy. But she's about 12.
She's beautiful too. Look just like
Right. Stay in school, okay? All right.
right?
Yeah, I tell you. All right, big up. Jesus, sweater kill me. All right, big up, big up. All right.
take one home.
Sweat would have killed me. By the time I reach at the flight, the door lock. Go ahead, yes, you can.
Thanks.
All right, bestie, I love you. I can't forget to talk to you. Talk to you now. Big up. I can't forget to talk to you now. I want you to see the airport out nice. I'm at Jamaica. Yeah, I'm not foreign me there now. I'm there at Jamaica. Airport nice and pretty and clean. And floor white. Yeah. I My Jamaica airport look good. You think of foreign days? Look how the airport nice. Look how the airport nice and the work of them clean and pretty. Never talk about Jamaica. Product of Jamaica. Outside and bright. When you come through, you can't get no rum, yes, so. Yeah. People them think, oh, hold on. Let me turn it around. Outside and bright. Like your boss, I can sleep on the life, you know, you run out left, you run out left. You run out left the job, your boss, I can see you, so you can't see it.
Boss is not out here. Boss is in.
What take the picture here?
Look, come.
I know picture live with them.
Yeah, live.
All right, yeah.
Pick up yourself, spice.
Yeah.
Don't know, girl.
Yeah.
Hot and everything.
Yeah.
You have it going.
Yeah.
All right.
Better go video some more pretty people. Yeah. They have to video them at Jamaica Days. Watch the clean work of them. Place look good. Let me go down here, so. Big up yourself. Big up. Oh, nice. Where are you from? All right, big up yourself, California, in the building. Watch pretty worker. Watch Jamaican pretty woman. Watch yourself. Outside that. Jesus, the phone countdown. All right. Thank you, you too. Yeah, outside. Sweater kill me. All right, come through us. Outside. I want you buy rum?
Of course.
Okay.
Not true.
Use one filter and clean up the sweat off of my face. Alright, big up. Love you know, yeah. Alright, cool. Yeah, man. Yeah, what for big up the place? The place nice and pretty. The airport look good. Yeah, what for talk about it? Yeah, on the outside, Jamaica look good. I have to show you outside. What Jamaica girl? Watch your girl pretty. Yeah, we don't have to talk about this. Bright and feisty. Look at this. How are you? I love you too. Oh, absolutely. Yeah. Let me do rag. Jesus, we need another rag. That rag is dirty.
Ready?
Let
me take it for the jet. Let me take it.
Hi,
Bad God, the real bad God.
Oh, I love you.
I love them both.
Outside. Wait, let's get them properly. You can get it properly. Fix
This video.
Yeah. Thank you. Nice to meet you. All right. Sure, absolutely. Let's go, guys.
I'm with the bad gal queen.
We're outside, right at Jamaica, yes, so.
Period.
Yeah.
Spice.
I love it. All right. Come with me. I have all kind of fans, you know. I have nice, so that lady are nice and decent. Yeah. I have all kind of, yeah. How are you?
Good, how are you?
You want to touch it? Hold on. Oh, you got it.
You took
awesome.
a bad girl.
Nice. How are you?
Thank you.
Nice to meet you. Awesome. After work, I'm tired. My ear all sweat out. Alright. Give them a tune. Give them a tune.
I don't mix up. I don't mix up. I don't mingle. Because the bags until them bring. But say, yeah, I them never finger. Can compare right to no bring. Apartment paper get this man clear. Have the blade them have the angle. I have the fire made them can go. Up the top in the
right, that's all.
Let's say love.
Yeah. Big up. Big up.
You want to use this? Just 5 minutes. 2 minutes.
Alright, me soon come. Yeah, over there in the store. Okay, I soon come. Yeah. No, mommy, me soon come. Now I'm going everywhere today. Me not lying.
Come here.
I want to get there. I want to get there.
I like things I'm going to
Look at this. Absolutely.
Up it up, clean and dirty.
Alright.
Absolutely. Sure. Who's going to take it for you? Oh. Where your accent from? Huh? Where's your accent? Nigeria. Oh, you're from Nigeria? Oh, nice. I love Nigeria. I've never been. But hopefully I can go there soon. Big up Nigeria. I love your country. Okay? Did you have fun in Jamaica?
Yeah. Thank you.
All right. Have a good day. Safe flight. Hi. I'm out shining. All right. Me too. I'm sweating like crazy. It's hot. It's okay. I'm on live.
Hiya.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
Where you from?
Charlotte, North Carolina.
Where did you go in Jamaica?
Mobe.
Montego Bay, yes.
I said it right, Mobe.
Yeah, Mobe. I can say Montego Bay.
Yes.
All right, we go.
All right, bye.
One. Big up. I love you. Big up. Me hear them a chat. Talk them a chat. Chat, them a chat. All the talk, them a talk, them go and chat. Tell them, where you suck your mother pipe thing, waka, yeah. Who not like me can waka, cause everybody love me. But very sorry. Hi, how are you? I'm good. Did you enjoy Jamaica?
Absolutely.
Awesome.
My daughter is on the phone. She wants to see you.
Hi, daughter. Wagwan, daughter. Hi.
Mommy, turn off the camera. She wants to...
I don't know how the camera now flip, but I can see you though. Big up yourself.
She not see you.
Love Jesus. All right, here you go. I'm doing great. Absolutely. I was going to do a selfie with both of us. All right. He gave you the phone. He gave you the phone. He was like, no, you take the picture.
I came all the way to Jamaica to see Spice, and I saw her.
Okay.
Okay, my turn.
Okay, I got you.
He gave her the phone. He was like, you take the picture.
Gotcha.
Great to meet you. Nice to meet you too.
Give her one more picture there.
This time, this is our extra work. May I tell you? Somebody said, don't forget your bag.
Yes, I'm a cool. She just a see it.
Thank you.
She just see it, you know.
I love you. Big up. All right. All right. Big up yourself, best to outside. Oh, we're going to talk about this.
Right,
this is something to talk about. All right, you too. All right, thank you. Don't forget something for drinks. God no. Thirst kill me. Oh, them care fun. Come give me. Look at this.
Best got to cool ourselves down. Come on, we're going to the game.
Woo! This nicey. Best to care fun for me. Pick up your nice, clean, pretty self. Black and beautiful. So we not bleach. Right, that's so. Outside. Don't forget the water. Thirst kill me. Big up. We not stop again. God no. Anyway, bestie, somebody said don't forget your bag. My bag there, man. Too much crowd up here? No, I have to stop yourself. I'm tired. Jesus. And Nicholas want me carry Patty feet, me now. Well, me pass the place I sell Patty already. Jesus, me not turn back. Let the Patty stay.
Nicholas go back.
Him just let him get Patty what day. Me not go back down there, so I'm sorry. No, sir.
16, yeah?
Ooh. The flight, but the airport's a big door. You know, me feel guilty like I want to get the party for Nicholas. A taste this? Yeah. I go stay, I go hide in one corner and you go get it or something. Hi, big up, big up, big up. No, like the box of party, them like them. Hold on. Let me go in there, so yeah. Let me stand up right this. Hold on. Somebody say you need a go-kart. You look at them, we block all the go-kart and run it down the same way. You can buy them have the box apart will come with 6. You can buy 2 boxes.
Chicken, beef.
No, beef. Beef patty.
The 12 beef patty.
12 beef patty. We got my breast in our bag. I know the site is down. It was down because when I got sick, a lot of things happened. I mean, I know I'm due to come and explain to you guys why Grassinour website is down, but it's going to be back up soon. I've just been so busy somebody gonna buy the patty for Nicholas. So I'm just standing here real quick. I hide in a one corner so I can talk to you. Nicholas love patty bad. But him just get 12 patty like 2 days ago and him still a tell me, say, Mommy, remember to care about patty. Remember to care about patty. Lord Jesus, you see me eye that get look breathing. Come. Oh, you gonna fan me? That's not bad.
Give me one napkin, please. So they know say I get treatment.
Yeah, I'm gonna be a man them nice. The girl them know that already. Thank you. Because the people them are Montego Bay, nice clean people. When you come at Sangsters International Airport out of Montego Bay, people them nice and clean and the airport clean and nice. So if it's about Jamaica, I'm a product of Jamaica. And them will come show you the things them are not showing. It's Jamaica nice, the people them enjoy themselves. When you hear the whole of the tourists, I say them enjoy themselves. Yeah. I go straight to the plane now. I go come out for the live here because guess what? It look like the live here and make people know say me in at the airport. Where? I want me gate. I don't even know. I think I'm 16. Hi! I don't know 16. I don't know which gate I go. I want me gate. I want me gate.
Make sure they take a picture if I'm still a blow. We can't smile from so far.
Big up Father God. It could not be nobody else but him. Jesus, my love you right through. Wait, let me fix good. Let me fix good. Let me fix good. Set up yourself. Come right there, so. Fix good. Fix good. Yeah.
I bet I'm free.
Let me end the live. Give me a minute. Let me end the live. Let me just spend a little time with my best to them online. Come and able to talk to them. Thank you so much. I trick your blood clot, trick me, you know. You come fan me. Oh, when you get the picture, you give me back the blood clot fan, you know. You give me back his fan, no. No, you give me back his fan and I'll go away. When you're done. I trick you, trick me. I told you. Go back and work. You know what? Do the right thing. I love you. Him carry me come here. Yeah, me cuss him and him drop me off. Yeah, you know him wicked. Richie feelings wicked. Anyway, guys, I'm going to come off of this live because guess what? I realized the truth me on the live, everybody I realize which part me there. I love you guys. I appreciate you. Waka song I dropped this week. Jealous is out, so make sure to run it up. I know I've been busy and I haven't been posting a lot, but the songs them I mash up over TikTok, so I'm going to go hashtag jealous and get into it. Do hashtag waka and do the dance move them. And you know Queen of Dancehall out, so buy the song them and support it. My birthday is coming up and the only thing I want for my birthday, I want you guys to buy something like it so we can just journey on this road to goal because it's almost at goal. So if you don't love me, support me the real way. Buy the song them, stream them. When Waka come out, buy it, run it up. Go and buy something like it song. Look fit for iTunes. Buy Jealous. Yeah. Somebody gonna get some water for me. I'm just waiting right now. And them gonna buy patty for Nicholas. And my flight is closing, but them are wait for me. So I'm gonna get off this live. I love you guys. Love the whole hour. You don't know the thing go. Hey, right through. And I love God even more than anyone else in this world. Just for, you know, sparing me, keeping me, taking this journey with me and my fans and my besties. And I love you guys for supporting me. So, skin right out in at the airport, you know.